Hello everyone. Are you confused whether studying abroad is the right option for you or not? Relax. In this video, we are going to talk about all the aspects which you need to consider before you make a decision to study abroad. So here, we would be discussing about 5 aspects which are very important. Firstly, academic and educational aspects, cultural aspects, personal aspects, professional aspects. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on study abroad. Number 1, academic and educational aspect. When it comes to education, we all want to learn from the best. Especially when there is so much of competition going on around, having a best education saves us and also makes us ahead in so many other ways. Universities abroad consistently rank high in global rankings in terms of research opportunities, quality of education, campus life, salaries, and everything. Even though India has a lot of great learning institutions, cracking competitive exams to get to your university of your choice is significantly harder. Universities abroad offer you great quality education and also are easier to get into because they look at your overall profile. Why are they better? Because they have the world's topmost educators and professors. Some of them are even Nobel Prize laureates. You will get exposed to the topmost teaching techniques. You will be getting a profound and comprehensive knowledge on the subject. And most importantly, universities abroad offers a wider range of courses options which are not offered everywhere in India currently. For example, there are some amazing courses on gender studies, artificial intelligence, neurotechnology, fashion, filmmaking, liberal arts, conflict studies, development studies, and the list goes on. Of course, these are offered in India too at some universities, but the quality is definitely great at abroad universities. Now you must be wondering, if quality of education is so great, it must be very difficult to crack. But that is not the case. In Indian universities, competitive exams are the real tough nut to crack. But if we keep aside the Ivy League colleges, getting into abroad universities is not at all a big deal. If you are channelizing it properly and in a planned way, you are definitely going to get into your dream university with all your dedication and less of efforts. As we all know that in India, our education system is more or less much focused towards having the maximum grades or marks approach. But another reason you should consider studying abroad is because of the wider research opportunities the education curriculum offers there. The education there focuses a lot on practical learning, on-site projects, research projects, and everything. So if you are someone who wants to dig deeper into formulas and theories and wants to work on own project, you should definitely consider studying abroad. Till now, we have discussed the academic and educational aspect of going abroad. Now, coming to the second most important aspect, that is cultural aspect. We all know that going abroad and pursuing education is much more than just taking a degree. There is so much beyond education, and that is where you learn the greatest life lessons of all times. You know what? Entering a university abroad is like exiting the bubble you have been a part of all these years. It's like stepping out of your comfort zone. You will meet people from another corner of the world. They will be from different backgrounds, diversified cultures, and so many different experiences. Cool, educational aspect and cultural aspect are fine. But why are we going abroad? I mean, what's the end goal? Obviously, we want to have a better career options. So let's discuss about the professional aspects and the job aspects of getting education abroad. Studying abroad is always one of the best ways to give your career a boost. You know why? Better salary, better skill set, and you will be gaining international experience which will be accepted globally. And you know what's the best part? You will become more aware about various other domains. The overall exposure you would be getting will make you confident in overcoming the geographical limitations in your job expertise. Now coming to fourth and last aspect, that is personal aspect. So whenever we are going to study abroad, we are going away from home. We are going away from our native country. So we are completely stepping out of our comfort zone, and that is where we learn how to manage everything on our own. We meet different people, we make friends, we dislike some, we like few, but ultimately this is something that teaches us how to peacefully coexist, how to coordinate and cooperate with the people who are so different from you. And let me tell you, this is a very important life skill everyone must have. Okay, so imagine you are entering a war with your own self. It is like challenging your own survival. You are challenging to get a job on your own. You are challenging to take care of your everyday expenses on your own. You are taking care of your physical health. At the same time, you are also managing to calm down your mind and take care of your mental health, and also take care of all the emotional outbursts you are having due to homesickness. This is what? This is helping you have a better decision-making power. At the same time, you will learn how to take ownerships, and you will be becoming self-dependent in all the ways possible. And trust me, this is the biggest life lesson you will learn there. Cool. We have covered all the important aspects. Now, let us have a reality check. You must be wondering, studying abroad is way too expensive and it will just cost you lots and lots of money. Of course, that is true. You need to have a good financial backup plan. But if you are thinking that's impossible, you are absolutely wrong. Relax. It is absolutely accessible and doable. If you are from middle class background, don't worry. It is possible for you to afford your education abroad. All you have to do is to grab a good scholarship and also try to look for a good education loan plan. You are right there on the right track. There are ample of scholarships available. Only if you research well and are really passionate about learning, you will definitely going to land up at the right place. Apart from scholarships, we also have collateral-free educational loans. All you have to do is put right efforts in the right direction, and trust me, you will make it. And if you want to know details of LEAP scholarship, click on the I button here and see the detailed video. Okay, that's all for today's video. Also, we would like to hear what is your dream university and which country you are planning to study. Do let us know in the comments below. That's it. All the best. Take the leap.